As SEO specialists, we can all complain about what shows in Google and what doesn't. And in this case, we're going to show you something that's pretty annoying and might be pretty common across many keywords. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video. Hope everyone's doing well. And I'm going to try to keep this within 3 minutes. So I was looking at my Ahrefs today and noticed a couple keywords that are ranking, but I wanted to actually see them on Google. Sometimes you don't get that information correctly from Ahrefs. So this random keyword, which is called Isaiah Rashad Philadelphia tickets, probably not searched heavily, but could be. Maybe Isaiah Rashad tickets is more often used, but Philadelphia tickets was added. So we're just going to select on this. We're on incognito, so there's no none of my personal search is being used here, but as you can see, Ticketmaster, his own site, SeatGeek, Vivid, SeatGeek, Ticketmaster, so a double repeat, kind of annoying there. But that's not the point here. So we're just going to scroll down, and then I'll try to estimate like what page I'm on. Here's like page 2 on Google because they kind of just have unlimited scroll now. So we're like on 3. Okay, so now we're getting into 4. And yeah, most people aren't going down this far, but it's pretty interesting to see what happens once you do. So here's the first one, UTYIME.online. You can see this garbage tagline for this 2 hours ago showing up. How is this ranking? How is this ranking? This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. They're all garbage. I'm not going to open it right now because they're malware and they take you to some kind of virus site. But 12 minutes ago, 2 hours ago, we'll keep growing. More. Keeps going. And then another site. And here's another. I'm just going to keep going until I stop seeing them. Okay. There's just dozens of these. And then there's some real sites in here like Ticket City. Then another bad one. All these are terrible. Well, not this one, but all these, this, and I'll just show you now that we're finished with showing you all these different pages. Look, Lil Fizz Nude, it's all genitals.online. Like really, this is showing in Google. I don't even want to click it, but I'm going to click it just for showing you what it actually does. So I'm going to click this one, best 2020. So we're pulling stuff, and because I only have 20 seconds left. Okay, and it opens, and it's like click allow if you're not a robot. No, that is spam. So I'm going to close the video right now, and I just want to see if anyone else is seeing this. Have a good one. Talk to you soon.